Hello and welcome back to the free online woodworking school, where in this short series we are going to be making a beautiful book stand or tablet stand, depending on which generation you're from. Now this is a refilm of a series I filmed many moons ago where I was making pretty much exactly the same project as what we're doing now, but I was using cheaper materials available from any DIY supplier. So keep that in mind as you're watching this. I'm going to be using this American cherry, which is from one of our project packs available from mattesley.com. We basically sell these in pre-dimensioned pieces, as well as the hardware that's required to complete the project, all in one pack that's ready to go. But you don't need to do that if you want to make the project. You can just do this out of any sort of old length that you find, and you can just adapt the dimensions to suit. The other nice thing about this project is that I'm going to be doing it with limited tools, which is a style of project I've had requested many times over the years. I've got a very complete tool set here in the workshop, and I recognize that that's unattainable for a lot of people. And so I'm purposely going to be omitting a lot of my tool set from this project to try and do it using more basic means. All of the tools that I'm going to be using in this project will be listed in the description below. There are a few tools in there that are ones that we actually make in-house, such as this beautiful marking knife. So if you want to support what we do here on the free online school and our other channels, then consider grabbing something like this from our store or even one of the project packs, because it's what helps us fund these free online courses. So I hope you enjoy the series, and best of luck with it if you're going to be building along with us.